Welcome guys, and in this video I will show you how you can fix your SteelSeries GG not opening. So there will be a few steps that you can do. So first of all, right click it and open Task Manager. Right here you'll need to find your SteelSeries GG client and just end the task. After that, just try starting your SteelSeries GG and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, just go to Windows Search and type SteelSeries GG, click Open File Location. This should open up, and then right click it and again click Open File Location. And right here, just try launching the SteelSeries GG update service, and after that, it should update your SteelSeries GG and try launching it again. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you fix your SteelSeries GG app not opening. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.